Hello everybody. Hey, I've been playing with my CarPlay on the settings and learned a few things. Thought I'd just share it with you guys. First thing I kind of wanted to share you is right now, you know, this is the main screen. In case some of y'all aren't familiar, and that's might be all you use, but you can switch right here and you can go to all your apps. And you can see I have a few apps here that I use. So you can switch to that. Another thing, in case you didn't know, is like I leave mine on always dark, watch it's night, so you have that appearance. If you go to automatic, what it'll do is it'll switch to the brighter daytime, but I like it leaving it always dark, and I like showing my maps in always dark. So I set it that way, so when I go into whatever, I want to go look at my maps, that's how they would look. So I thought I'd show you that. So also another little trick that I figured out is besides this, you can go back and you have wallpaper to choose from. So you have actually different background settings that you could choose. Black and white, there's different ones. I mean, this is the one that I'm using right here. It's very easy to set. If you want to change it, you just go to there and set it. You have all different types of things that you could do. Oh, that's pretty cool too. So I'll go back to the one that I like. I like that one right there. So we'll just set that, and then we'll go back to our screen right there. So there's also, when you come here, another thing I learned is when you go to Google Maps, and I didn't know this, you can hit that little setting button right up here, and it gives you the option, look, you can go to satellite map view, which is cool. I didn't know that this would do that. So you have options here. You can go back to your regular map, you show traffic, you have volume. So there's different things that you can do, which are pretty cool. So I wasn't aware of that. Another thing, like when I use Apple Maps and Google Maps, and as long as you're plugged in, like on Sundays when I go to church, and when I plug in my car, it will ask me, it'll pop up and ask me, basically, is this the destination you want to go to? And I can just click on it and go. And I'm like, yes, I know where I'm going, but the thing is, the nice thing about that, it'll tell me time of arrival, those type of things, and it remembers where you are. It also sets a pin, so like when you park, so if you forget to where you parked and you drove with CarPlay plugged in, Apple Maps and Google Maps will automatically drop a pin wherever you park your vehicle and unplug your vehicle. So when you're ready to return, you can just open up the Apple Maps or Google Maps and just click on where your car icon is, or type in the search bar park car, and that way it'll show you where it says. So I thought that was a really cool thing also. And then there's one other thing that I thought was kind of cool that I didn't realize that you could do, is you could rearrange these apps on how they go in any order that you like, and you have to do that from your phone. And so all you'd have to do is you have to go to your settings on your phone. Let's see if I can figure this out real quick. I can show you. Don't know if it'll do it where I'm at. You go to general. No, I'm gonna have it on my iPad. I've got it on my phone. You just end up going to general, and once you go to general, you'll end up turning go to settings, general, and then you go to CarPlay, and it'll say my cars, and it'll give you the cars you have. Mine just says sync 3 because I got Fords. So I'll have 3 sync 3s on there, and I can click on it, and then it'll say customize. If you click to customize, it'll list all your apps, and you can arrange them in any order you want. So I have my phone and my messages here, now playing for music. I got all my music apps here, Spotify, Amazon, Pandora, right there's your Apple Music, Odyssey app, that's for sports for me. And then I have my maps, Ford Sync. Nice thing about this flips you back to, in dark mode, your basic screen. So, and to go back, you just hit Apple CarPlay. So I just figured I'd share that. I thought these were a few cool things. I will include the link that has all this information in it where I found it. It was on Motor Trend, and that way you could look at that, and hopefully this will be something that's helpful for you in setting up your CarPlay. Just give me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. And I appreciate you guys. And hopefully, like I said, this will help you guys set up your CarPlay the way that you want it with the background you want. You have a great evening, and take care.